Good morning, everybody. I am taking you on my skincare routine this morning. So my skincare routine starts here in my kitchen. That's right. I start my beauty routine from the inside and work to the outside. So I'm going to show you the inside portion. I start with the Retune Inner Beauty Collagen Booster. This is a powdered mix of a marine collagen peptide that helps promote that firmer, radiant looking skin. It helps the production along, with your collagen. And it is non-GMOs, no preservatives, no colorants, no artificial flavoring or anything. It's gluten-free. So it's real easy, and the great thing about it is it's tasteless. That's right, there's no taste to it. So it makes it very easy. You can put it in your coffee, you can put it in your water, you can put it in your juice, and that's what I'm going to show you today because I'm not a coffee drinker. So we're going to do this in my juice. So open it up. It comes with this little scoop, and you're just going to take a scoop of it. That's it. And it's just a little powder. And I got my glass of juice. It's a cranberry cherry juice. I love it. And then I'm going to mix it up. It's a little frothy there, but I kind of like that. Yeah, just my juice. So, if you're conscientious about your collagen, we all get to that age that we start wanting to age gracefully. So, contact me. I will leave comments in the description below with links so you can buy yours. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.